What is up, my veggies? My name is VeggieTales and welcome back to The Last of Us. Now, I've already played a little tiny bit just to get to this part. It's nothing major. It's like maybe a minute of gameplay that you guys missed, which was nothing. So, I also realized something before I started recording this video. I am playing 3 Naughty Dog games on this channel right now. Crash Bandicoot, The Last of Us, and Uncharted 2. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Oh crap, Joel! Joel!
I got you.
Damn it, Bill.
What just happened?
I'm hanging upside down.
I don't want to build stupid traps.
Molly, quiet.
There, that Fraser looks like that's a counterweight.
Okay.
This is so disorienting.
Cut that rope, and it'll bring it down.
On it.
This is... I hear noises.
Shit, here they come.
Oh crap, crap. Oh, here comes more.
Ellie, how's it looking?
Oh, come on, not another one. Come on, get off me. Stupid infected. Oh, come on. Stupid, get the heck off me. I don't want to kiss.
Ellie!
Come on. Get off of me, you stupid. I told you I don't want to kiss. Is that one a clicker? Yeah, this one's a clicker, alright. Got him.
Good time, Ellie.
Hold on.
There's another one over there, I see him. Oh crap, that scared me.
You alright?
Yeah.
Come on, you can do it.
There's another one, I thought there was a shadow of one over there.
God damn it.
Yeah, here they come, they're coming, you better hurry, Ellie.
Just hurry.
Why aren't they attacking Ellie? Why are they only attacking Joel? Oh. Oh crap, I can't even see what's going on. This is so weird, playing upside down. It's like when
Hold off of me.
I'm trying. Can't do it. Come on. That thing's about to kill Ellie. Oh god, I am bad at aiming this. I messed up. Oh crap.
Damn it.
Here they come. They get before it gets here.
Hurry, they're getting close. Just hurry.
There we go, got one of them. Come on. Got clicker number 2. Get off of Ellie. Oh crap. Stop moving. Moving targets are hardest to shoot. Well, that's not working. Oh gosh, clicker. That's a clicker. That's a clicker. I can't even see what's going on. I feel like I shot Ellie. Oh, this is so hard.
Help here!
Trying the best I can, Petra. I mean Ellie. Oh gosh, this is difficult. There. There we go. Well, guys, real quick, I want to point out something about the Tales from the Borderlands. I know that's a weird thing to bring up right now, but I was absolutely wrong when I said I thought Gortys was played by the same person who played Clementine. I was completely out of my mind when I said that. The same person who played Gortys played Ellie in this game. And Petra in Minecraft Story Mode. I know, right? I'm dumb. Oh, Jesus. Get off me, get off, get off. I want to get off, buddy. Wow, that was... That guy was ahead. What are we doing? What are we doing? Run! Run! Guys, we need to run! I gotta hold these guys off real quick, guys. Let's get these guys. Hey.
They're coming to the door!
Fucking do it. Take them out. That's our only way through.
Ellie, stay back! Stay back!
There we go. Ready, stupid. Whoa. Thank you, I didn't... Ooh.
Come on, we're almost there.
Nice. I want to check for stuff real quick. I'll be out in a minute. I want to check for, like, ammo and stuff. Oh, yes, we just hit the jackpot of stuff. Alright. I'm ready to go now. They are everywhere. I'm trying. What? Oh, they're... That was a close one. That was close.
That was close. Thanks for the heroics and all. Ellie. Hey, what are you... Joel?
Bill!
What are you doing?
Bill! Turn around and get on your knees. Just calm down a second. Turn around
All right.
and get on your knees. Don't test me. Just
Dude, what the heck, man?
any bites? Oh. Anything sprouting? Oh, God damn it, I'm clean! If I see so much as a... Stop! Bitch!
Ellie. Calm
You
down,
done?
girl.
Am I done? You come into my house, you set off all my traps, you damn near break my shooting arm. Who the fuck is this punk and what's she doing here?
I am none of your goddamn business, and we're here because you owe Joel some favors. And you can start by taking these off.
I owe Joel some favors. Is some kind of joke?
Calm down, Ellie. Dang.
I need a car. Well, it is a joke. Joel needs a car. Well, if I had one that works, which I sure as hell don't, what makes you think I'd just give it to you? Huh? Yeah, sure, Joel. Go ahead. Take my car. Take all my food, too, while you're at it.
By the looks of it, you could lose some of that food.
Listen to me, you little shit.
No, fuck you! You handcuffed
I
me.
need you to shut...
Ellie, calm down. You have a major temper on you, Billy.
Ain't worth that much. Actually, Bill, they are. Well, it don't matter because I don't have a car that works. But there is one in this town. Parts. There are parts in this town. Meaning that you could fix one up. All right. I'm gonna do this. There's some gear I'm gonna need. All right. It's on the other side of town. Now you help me go gather it, and maybe I can put something together that runs.
All right, that sounds good to me.
But after this, I owe you nothing.
That's fine. A couple days from now, we'll probably be dead anyway.
Good. Follow me. Whole goddamn town's booby trapped. Just stay right on my ass.
All right.
Can't miss it.
Knock it off.
Yeah, Ellie, you need to calm down. You have a major temper
Whatever
on you.
supplies you may want or need, I suggest you grab them.
Hey, thank you.
That's exactly what I was gonna do. You didn't even need to tell me.
Alrighty.
Ooh, this stuff seems useful. Anything else over here? No? Okay. Some bottles. Anything over here? Oh, yes! Oh, we're full on the shotgun ammo. Wait, I forgot I still had that, actually. Ooh. That's cool. Okay, let's, oh wait, there's something over here. Yeah, that map would be very useful, actually. No, I was about to grab that down there, but I want to keep my baseball bat. Anything else? Ooh, there's something right here. Oh no, I thought I saw something glowing. What about in here? Anything in here? Yes, there is. There is tons to collect. Anything over here on... Oh, yes, there is. Ooh, I'm hitting the jackpot over here. Move, Ellie. Move. Move, Ellie. Move out the way. Move out the way. Let's see. Anything else? Because I can use as much stuff as I can carry.
Hey, you know how to play this?
Pretty badly, yeah.
I always wanted to learn.
Hey, Bobby Fischer! Don't touch anything on that board!
Bobby, what?
You let it go.
Anything on this table? No. Anything on this table? Anything over here I can get? I can't get that because my shotgun ammo is full. Okay, nothing.
Found everything you need?
We're good.
I guess. I don't know. I'm still looking. Is that a jukebox? Yes, it is. Last time I saw one of those was in Life is Strange, and I beat that game.
All right, come on.
And Ellie, you're slow.
Don't leave the door open.
You got it.
We have to cross to the other building. Up the stairs. Let's move it.
Coming.
Just stay with me.
Can't believe you agreed to this bullshit, Bill. What you should have done was just left him back there.
Hey, you go do that while I go look for
Take
stuff.
a look around up here.
Nothing in there that I need. Go ahead, take whatever you want.
Thanks.
Oh, there's some stuff there. Let's actually do some, let's craft some a health kit first. That should be first, always. We will craft also, ooh, we can craft us a shiv. Let's go ahead and craft us one of those. Okay, a shiv. Oh. Oh, we can do something with our bat. Oh, that's cool. Let's do that. Let's get us one of these too. And I guess 2 health kits wouldn't hurt. Okay, we good now. Oh, there's something on the table over here. collect everything we can. Anything else? Nope. Okay. Let's see. Oh, can I go in this room? No. There's a room over here.
What kind of trouble are you in? Where the hell's Ted?
It's just a job. Simple drop-off.
What are you doing? The little brat.
Haha, fuck you too.
Oh.
So I'm walking away from all that and not hearing their conversation. I'm just trying to make sure I don't miss anything I can collect.
I had the safe house. More of an armory.
Wait, I thought we were gonna fix up a car.
We? You ought to
Bill,
It's like I said, I need on the other side of town. That side I don't ever go to because it's filled with infected. So we're gonna need more guns.
So we're going to get some more weapons? Awesome. So I better be able to stock up on some ammo over there. Ooh. Yes. Oh, awesome. I'm loading up. Hey, you keep doing that while I keep searching. I'm gonna guess there used to be a bathtub right here. Anything else in it over here? Oh, I see something. That will be useful. Another baseball bat. Mine is still pretty good. And plus I crafted it into this thing with nails in it, so that's even better. Wait for me! I don't want you to leave me behind. Anything else? Oh, can we go down here? You can't see anything right there. This game gets extremely dark sometimes. Like not like dark themes or anything, but like the game itself is dark sometimes. I'm glad we have this on us all the
You
time.
didn't answer my question about Tess. Yeah, I thought the two of you were inseparable.
She's dead.
Yeah, sure. Busy.
Sounds like might be trouble in paradise.
yeah, something like that.
All right, here we go.
Okay, we're going outside, so I don't need that on. Only reason I turned that on is so you guys can see better.
So, why don't you fix one of these cars?
Oh my God, you're a genius. I mean, the whole time, why on earth hadn't I thought about fixing one of these cars?
Okay, don't be a dick.
Their tires are rotted and their batteries are dead.
Are you done?
Can't even begin to think what the inside of the engine blocks look like. Only ones making new car batteries are the military. God damn it.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Looks like I have to beat some heads in. Gonna have some shivs. Gonna have two. Where? I don't see them. That's my last one. No, it's not. Oh, that was Bill.
All right. You gotta check the barricades again.
Actually, this guy's name is Bill, and he reminds me a lot of Carver from The Walking Dead.
Taking all the supplies from the warehouse
Okay.
and heading to the
Now
east.
he's
Again. Then it'll take
Bill, Joel, this way.
I want to open the door. Why can't I open the door? I want to open the door. I don't know if it's going in here or up
That's
there.
a hell of a place to hold up, didn't you?
do as bad as those things are. At least they're predictable.
Well, I'm just checking for supplies right now. So
You of all people should understand that.
What does that mean?
Nothing. You sure that gate's gonna hold them?
Well, I locked it. They don't have a key.
haha, you're funny, Bill. I don't.
So which way?
We're here. It's in the cellar.
Oh, down here? Okay. turning the light on so you guys can see a little better.
Right down here.
You know what would have sucked if a clicker just jumped right at us.
Well, here we are. You don't touch anything. And you close the door?
Alright, like... Okay, I can't go into options during the actual gameplay.
Let's gear up.
What? I need a gun.
No, you don't.
Joel, I can handle myself.
No. Just stay here.
It's fine. Just wait around for you two to get me killed.
Well, this goes on record as the worst fucking job you've ever taken.
Ha!
It's up there.
How in the hell is Tess okay with this suicide mission?
Tess...
Her idea.
Really? Well, the broad's not as smart as I thought
Tess
she
is
was.
dead.
What? Fuck her. Seriously, you gotta take that kid back to where you found her.
I can't just take her back.
Then send her packing, let her find her own way. But let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, I had somebody that I cared about.
Well, everybody did before the whole outbreak happened.
Partner. Somebody I had to look after. And in this world, that sort of shit's good for one thing. Getting you killed. So you know what I did? I wisened the fuck up. And I realized it's gotta be just me.
Bill, it ain't like that. It's
Bullshit. It is just like that. Hey! What I said to you when we walked down the steps?
Sorry,
What I
I'm being
said?
quiet. I was
What's in
paying
your
attention.
Stupid pile.
Don't touch.
Ellie, you have a serious attitude.
You keep babysitting long enough, and eventually it's gonna blow up in
Bill.
your face.
Can you please just get on with it?
Here. Let's get on with it.
Is that the same shotgun we already had, or is it a better one? How long have we been recording? 22 minutes? We'll keep going. We'll keep going. Okay. I thought we already had a gun,
Before we
shotgun.
go any further, I got something I gotta show you.
What you got?
New toy from the toy box.
What's the new toy? I want to see. I want to see. What's the... Oh.
This is a nail bomb.
Nail bomb. Boom, 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 boom,
You gotta be
boom.
really careful. This thing blows, it shreds anybody standing nearby.
That's really cool. Oh, that's cool. New weapon.
So we got shotguns and bombs. What the hell are we doing with them?
Well, every few weeks this military caravan rides through town. I assume they're out looking for supplies. I mean, you'd be amazed at the shit.
Hey, I
that
see
they
stuff
open
glowing.
up.
I want to collect that.
A few months back, they were rolling through and they get overrun by this horde of infected. They were all over the truck. The plow's right on the side of the high school. I'm still sitting there with a battery in it.
So we take that battery and we put it in another car.
Bingo! I wanted to get it.
Makes
It seemed
sense.
too dangerous with all the infected on that part of town. But fuck it. Joel needs a car.
Joel does need a car.
Let's try
See,
some.
hey, I do need a car. I need a car. I need a car. Or did that annoy you? I'm sorry. Was what I was doing bothering you?
Kid, I swear to God, if you took anything...
Hey man, I don't need any of your shit. Trust me.
Joel, you are keeping an eye on her, right?
Yes. Ellie's a little troublemaker. Gotta keep my eye on her. Of course, I'm gonna keep my eye on her. Paul. I mean, I called him Paul. That's not his name. Ooh. Hey, there's shelves here. I'm gonna look on these shelves. Okay, nothing on that shelf.
And if you got anything to confess, this would be the place to do it.
Where'd he go? Through here? Ooh, I see some
That's not
eyes.
professional, Luke. That's my room.
All right, I'm not touching anything.
Which is a few things. Oh, something else to take. I'm gonna take that if you don't mind. And I'll take this as well. Just taking everything I can. Where'd you go? There you are.
Time to sack up.
Okay. I'm out the window. Oh, I thought we were gonna fall. Fall.
Look, here's the school.
All right.
Ready?
Time to go back to school. Or oh, we're not going through this door? Okay.
Oh, man.
Yeah, come on, you don't need to be looking at that.
Ew.
I've seen worse.
Yeah, we've seen Bill's
All new
face.
territory to me.
Oh, roasted. I want this instead of the brick. Oh, we're gonna about the
You guys hear that?
Keep quiet.
clickers. Oh. We all know how this works. Okay, I gotta remember how to do this. Okay. So I only have one shiv left. And I really can't waste it. Gotcha, you stupid. Okay, thank you. Oh, there's more? Seriously? Oh, we can take out clickers with just normal weapons. Just gotta make sure they don't grab us. Okay, that makes sense. Oh no. They're literally everywhere. Run. Where they at? Run. Run. Oh god, they're everywhere. Oh crap. Oh crap. They are everywhere. They are absolutely everywhere. These clickers are everywhere. Okay. Let's be a little more smart this time. Okay, we just came from down here. Okay, gotta do all this again. Okay. Can I throw it over there? They did not hear that. Okay, they heard that one. Okay. Up there, come here. I gotta save this shiv, so. Come here. Okay, oh, it dropped something. Okay, it's dead, it's down. Is there any more coming? Okay. Do I have anything to throw? Okay. So we can lead them up here. Throw this right in front of the walkway. Yes, they heard it. Just be careful. Okay, they're all catching on fire. Or at least one of them did. Okay, so you gotta take this one out. Here. There we go. I love this shotgun. A dang good weapon. Sorry guys, I think the camera fell a bit. I'm gonna fix that for you guys. I don't know if it did or not, but I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Okay, let's go. Let's go see if there's any more of those guys we gotta worry about. There probably are, because this guy said this part of town was covered in clickers. That's a big one. Come here, you. Oh, crap. There's a lot, there's a lot. Move out of the way, move out of the way. There's a lot, there's a lot, there's a lot, there's a lot. Run, 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 run. Come on, you.
Over here! Help!
I gotcha. I gotcha. Oh, forget it.
God damn it.
That's the best I could do.
Just try to be more careful.
I had no choice. Now let's keep going. Hopefully there aren't as many clickers. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, time to switch up shotguns for this baby right here. Come here, you. Wait, how many are there? That's the only one nearby, that the closest one. Alright, let's take it out. I don't want to waste a shiv on it, so. Oh crap, where'd you come from? Let's take you out then. Take this, take this, take that. There we go, there's some more shotgun ammo.
Hey, look. I'm still alive.
Yep.
I think that's it. Yeah.
Well guys, that is a good place I think to leave off. I'm gonna leave that there. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please tap the like button down below. Subscribe, leave me a comment, and link to my Twitter, Instagram, and DeviantArt will all be linked down in the description below. Just like always, do not forget to hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I upload videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!